Let's do a little cold start for the IG. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we got my personal vehicle in today, 2024 Mustang Premium 5.0. Shout out to Extreme Online Store for the banner, pretty nice. We got the little tow hitch on. But anyways, we're gonna be installing a rear spoiler today from Extreme Online Store, which is right here. We gotta put it together. It's gonna be like the performance pack spoiler, so it's gonna look pretty good. I've seen pictures of it already, so it should look almost like OEM. I have the RTR spoiler right now. I'm gonna take it off, put the OEM deck lid, build a new spoiler, because you have to put these little side pieces on, these little brackets and stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. It's a pretty simple install. The only thing that's gonna take time is removing this old spoiler for that one now. Don't forget, guys, subscribe, comment, and give it a like. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install this right now. As you guys can see, I got the gloss black. They offer it in other colors, I believe. I think matte black and like other different colors. But yeah, this thing's pretty nice, man. Look at the paint. Honestly, the paint is like perfect. There's no scratches or nothing like that. Doesn't really have orange peel, so it looks pretty good. There's no overspray or nothing like that, so honestly, this is a good job. So the black obviously is gonna match like the little accents, the gloss black. So we got that. I'm gonna try to get some carbon little inserts actually. I don't know, we'll see. Little by little. But yeah, guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, right now I'm putting the end parts on, the little brackets. Excuse the mess, I'm building one motor, building two motors, like 3 motors already. So we have that going on too as well. So these come with these little black Allen key bolts, pretty nice. So basically what you're gonna do is screw it onto your diffuser right here to hold down this little bracket. Honestly, the hardware is pretty good too. I like the hardware. It matches the gloss black. So this way you won't be able to see the hardware. You want it tight, but not too tight. You don't want to crack anything. So just like that. Nothing crazy tight, you know. So we got that on. This is the other side right here. Like you guys see the paint right there. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna install the middle bracket right now for you guys, right here. So this is the middle bracket right here. Basically this goes right here. Oh wait, this way, my bad. Yeah, match it. Oh, I had it backwards. So, let me see if you guys see this. It goes like that pretty much. So we're going to use the same little hex bolts. So we're going to use these little hex bolts right here. Let's see. They're kind of way down there. Basically, I think I'm gonna have to use a magnet, but because they're pretty deep down there. So I'm probably gonna put a magnet through here and screw it on, like little by little. So give me a couple of seconds. Let me pause the video for now. Alright guys, so I had to get like a little T-handle. This way I could line it up in here. gotta line it up with the hole. It's a little hard. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna screw in just a little bit. So you're gonna twist it. And you can see it coming out right there at the end. I know it's a little hard to see because it's black on black, but so it's popping out right here. I'm gonna do that to all 4 to get them started. This way it'll be easier to put it on. So I'm doing the same thing, just grab it. So just like that. So this one was faster. All right, so now I got 2, I need 2 more. Oh, there's one right here. All right, the third one's in. So far so good. We're almost there. One more, we need one more. I know it's a little time consuming, but hey, I make it look nice. Gotta make sure you don't mess with the paint. Alright, there we go. So we got all 4 in. Now what we're gonna do is line it up with that. And line it up. See, that's why you need a T-handle, because it is pretty long and it's deep in there. So I got those 2 in already. I didn't tighten it super tight yet or anything because I want to line up all the bolts, make sure they're all perfect. Alright, right now I'm gonna pause the camera and I'm gonna show you guys right now in a bit. Alright guys, so this is it. Pretty much done. All assembled. So that's how it looks. It's pretty nice. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. When I remove this one, I'm not gonna record removing the RTR one because obviously that's not for this video. So I'm gonna take this one off and get this one ready. So I'm about to drill it for my flat deck lid, which is this one. Cause mine had the spoiler delete, so I'm about to make some holes in this one for this spoiler and put it on. Should be pretty cool, pretty interesting. Alright guys, it's pretty much done. I just need to put 2 bolts in. That's how it looks. Pretty nice. That's the performance pack style. Way better. Alright guys, the performance ring is done. Shout out to Extreme Online Store. Bro, this thing's clean. Pretty nice. The fitment's good. You can see the fitment. Pretty simple install. It just took longer because I had the RTR ring, so I had to take it off. But everything's nice, man. Highly recommend if you're into an aftermarket spoiler to get it. I still need to put the little covers right here, but I need 3M tape to put the little covers. Other than that, it's pretty good, straightforward. It's firm. Makes the car look better. So if you guys can, subscribe, drop a comment, drop a like. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this one. We'll catch you guys next time. Alright guys, take a look of the new spoiler from Extreme Online Store.